Don't feed the whales. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you about how some Bitcoin whales, billionaires, are buying up Bitcoin at this level, what this could potentially mean for the market, and just some interesting things that we're seeing to go along with these charts and all of this information. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you are not subscribed to the channel, check out my website, Everythingcurrencycrypto.com. If you are new to cryptocurrency, I do have a beginner's course on there where I go from zero to hero and explain everything about that. And also check out my hodl shop where you can get some cool merch like this Bitcoin hat. So let's get right into this thing right here. Don't feed the whale. So Bitcoin Mag posted this earlier today, and along with some pretty interesting information that came from the comments from this guy right here, CC15 Capital. So real quick, looking at this Bitcoin chart, we can see we're holding this level right here at 32K, and we have a very sharp wick that got bought up right there in the last couple of days, or whatever, or the last couple of hours got bought up right there, which is pretty interesting to see. Now I want this price to kind of stay here and kind of hover like it did back over here in May and July. Just kind of go back and forth, give these indicators a little bit of time to cool off, and then maybe we can head back up and avoid going into a full-on macro bear market. Right now we're in a downtrend, but we're not in a full-on macro bear market in my opinion yet. We are, but it's not confirmed. I need to see this thing get confirmed by dropping below these levels. Once they drop below these levels, then yeah, we'll talk about long-term bear market. But right now, short-term, sure, whatever. In this market, you're either short-term, mid-term, or long-term. Long-term, you don't really care. You're a hodler. You buy it. You hold it. You never let it go. Mid-term, that's kind of what I would consider myself. Hold things for the mid-term. Let them go when they're not serving me anymore. Buy them when they're doing some good things for me. And keep track of the products that I love that way. Short term, you're a trader. So looking at this chart, we can see basically back to what I was talking about. Got off on the side note for the new people in here, but looking at what I was talking about right here, this wick got bought up pretty quick, and we could be going back down, but I want to show you some things that this guy posted that shows that this stuff is getting bought up pretty quick. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is this right here. Breaking: Rothschild Investment buys another bunch of shares of the Bitcoin Grayscale Trust. Billionaires buying some Bitcoin. There are multiple wallets that are accumulating a ton of Bitcoin, and they have been. This wallet right here has been accumulating $1 billion in Bitcoin. They were buying about $2 million worth of Bitcoin in all of these purchases. You can see right here on the 24th, on the no, you can see right here, it's, so you can see right here since the 23rd, this thing bought 100K, 2 million, 100K, 2.5 million, 100K, 200K. So they're accumulating a bunch of Bitcoins like daily. That's crazy. Here is a example of another wallet that has accumulated since July. Very interesting to see. So you got Rothschild Investments getting into Bitcoin, and then you got Bitcoin Magazine saying, hey, don't feed the whales, because what I'm thinking and what they're saying is this: if the whales are buying right now, the billionaires are buying right now, what do they know that we don't know? They are accumulating. This is an accumulation phase. Maybe it's some type of manipulation. Could be. I don't know. I'm not calling for it to just spike up all crazy on this idea, but what I'm saying is, hey, maybe we should pay attention to the on trend, the on chain trends, because this is the first time in a financial market where we got something like the Fed saying that they're going to taper. Then we have Bitcoin, where we can actually see what these big players are doing behind the scenes if they want to step into the Bitcoin game. So it's pretty interesting. I'm going to put this article in the comment box for those who don't know what the Fed tapering is all about, because this is what made the bull market happen last time when the Fed came out and said they were going to start doing some stuff in 2017. The market totally tanked after they started doing that. And this is something that the Fed started their official taper in November. We have been going down ever since November. So I want everybody to go and read this article. Make sure you understand about the whole macro scale that's going on here. Do your research. This is a job. It ain't that easy as just buying and getting rich. But yeah, definitely want people to check out this article, and then you can have more insight about this taper and what this means, and maybe you can get an idea of why these billionaires are accumulating some Bitcoin. So like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, leave a question or anything you have in the comment box for me. If you want to get in my Telegram group or ask me any questions, go ahead and shoot me an email. YouTube has been really hating on me with the comments. Like whenever you guys say something like, hey Jay, what's up with, I can't read the rest. YouTube deletes the comment. So either holler at me on Twitter, I have one Instagram, or you can get into my Telegram group. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Remember, health is wealth. Think positive and positive things will happen. Till next time, peace.